Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this everyday easy makeup look. This is actually my go-to everyday look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep watching. So let's go ahead and begin priming our face with the Mercier Foundation primer. And this is an oil-free primer, which is good because I am a little oily on my T-zone. So after we prime our face, we're going to go ahead and go into our foundation. The foundations I'm using today are the MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15, and I'm in the color NC30. And I also like to mix it with the Nars, which one's this? The Nars Long Wear Foundation, and I'm in the color Santa Fe. So let's go ahead and mix that. So I like mixing it behind my hand here. I just get a little bit of the MAC foundation and one pump of the Nars foundation. And then I just get a brush, back with the brush, to mix that together and just apply it on my face. The brush I'm using to apply my foundation with is the crown brush. There's no number on here, but lately I've been loving this brush to apply my foundation with. So let's go ahead and do that. So once foundation is on, I'm going to contour my nose with this LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the color Beautiful Bronze. So let's go ahead and do that. So now for concealer, I'm using the NYX HD Concealer, and this is in the color 4.5. This concealer is like my favorite drugstore foundation. So I'm going to use the same brush I used for my foundation to blend out my concealer. So after foundation and concealer is done, I like to set my face with a translucent powder. And this one I'm using is the Mercier translucent powder. So let's go ahead and do that. And I like to apply it with a beauty blender. So I like to apply the translucent powder where I concealed. So I concealed under my eyes. My chin area, middle of my forehead, mostly places like the T-zone area where I get more oily at, and the bridge of my nose, and the sides of my nose, also on the sides of my face too. Okay, so we're gonna let that set about like 5 minutes. And while that's setting, I like to do my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I'm in the color Soft Brown. So let's go ahead and do that. So after I do my eyebrows, I like to set it with the Benefit Gimme Brow Gel, and just like that to make it more, just to help it make it more natural looking. So now it's time just to brush out the excess loose powder on the face. So now it's time to contour the face, and I like to use the Hoola Benefit Bronzer with the MAC 168 brush. So I like to contour the hollows of my cheeks just to make it more chiseled. And the bottom of my chin. And also the upper part of my forehead where it meets the hairs. So just like that. And I also like to contour my nose again with a powder. So I just use a MAC 217 brush just to do that. So if there's any harsh lines on the face, I like to go again over with a powder brush. Just like that. So it's now time for cheeks, and the blush I'm using today is the blush by MAC, and it's in the color Peaches with a Luxie blush brush, and it's in the number 514. So just to give my eyes some color, I like to go into this Tarte Clay Play palette, and this palette has really beautiful neutral colors going on, and I like to go into this color here just to give my eyes some depth and just some color into it. And the brush I'm going to use is this Scone blending brush, so just this color right here, and just apply it in the crease of my eyes. So just doing that to the eyes just makes it look like you did a lot of work to your eyes. So next I'm going to set my face with a MAC Fix Plus spray just to set all the powder that we just put on our face. So next I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face. I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors, the Desi & Katie collection, and this is in the color Mirame. This beautiful highlight here with the LA Girl fan brush and the number 102. So let's go ahead and do that. So now it's time for mascara. I'm going to be using the Tartiest mascara, this one here. And right now I have lash extensions, so I'm just be applying mascara to the lower lash line. So we're finished with the face. Now I'm going to be doing lips. And for lips today, I'm going to be using this Dose of Colors lip matte lipstick in the color Nude Chica. And for lip liner, I'm going to be using this one by ColourPop, and this is in the color 951. So once I'm all done with my makeup, I like to spray my face again with the MAC Fix Plus spray. So here's the finished look. Hope you guys enjoy this fresh and easy everyday makeup tutorial. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.